Hello, welcome. Another episode solving trigonometric equations. This is a little bit blend of a function. So the function f and g are defined on the set of real numbers by f of x as 1 minus x squared and g of x as 1 plus x squared. We have to find f of cos. This simply means we have to substitute the value of x here with what? The cos. So let's see. Here our f of x, that is f pregnant with x, is equals to 1 minus x squared. That is what we have. So in the same space, if I have x pregnant with cos of x, that means that I am changing the value of x with the cos x. So whatever I have here become 1 minus the cos square x, or cos x all square, which means the same as what? The square is on that side. Now what do? We can see here that there is a trigonometric identity. We can recall that if I have sine square plus the cos square, let me just add the x, it should be equals to 1 from our Pythagoras theorem using the unit circle. So here I can make the sine square the subject, where it becomes 1 minus the cos square here. So that means that your sine square x is the same as 1 minus cos square what? X. Again, that is clear. So let's bring it back into our function, which is here. So the f of cos x will be equals to the whole of this will become what? Sine square what? X. So that is our final answer. We are not asked to find the value of x. Just find the expression as the x is changed with this. Then for the second one, we are also having this. So let's begin with our g pregnant with x will be equals to 1 plus x squared. So if I'm asked to find g of tan of x, I am only asked to replace where I see the x with tan x, meaning 1 plus tan x all squared is what we are seeing in there. Now, still from here, if we divide both sides by cos square x, so if we divide both sides by cos square x, it becomes sine square x divided by the cos square x plus the cos square x cos square x equals to what? 1 over cos square x. If you divide both sides by that, this become sine over cos is tan. That is tan square x. This is going to be plus 1. The inverse of a cos is secant. So we have what? Sec square x. So here I am seeing tan square x plus what? 1 equals to this. We are seeing that. So I can only recall that here my 1 plus tan square x is the same as what? Sec square what? X. So I only replace the whole thing by that section. So that means the g of tan x is equals to the whole of this is now becoming what? The sec square x secant. So this also becomes the final answer. By a little bit introduction of our function, we can also get what we are getting. Any question, you can ask that in the comment section. Contribution, do that in the comment section as we keep on learning together. If this is your first time, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share.